Did you know that some of your favorite fruits and vegetables actually originated from the Americas? Many of the most common fruits and vegetables we eat today were first cultivated by indigenous peoples in North, Central, and South America. Take corn, for example. It was first domesticated in Mexico many years ago and has since become a staple food for much of the world. Potatoes, another staple crop, were first grown by the Incas in Peru and later brought to Europe by Spanish explorers. And let's not forget about the tomato, which was once thought to be poisonous, but is now a common ingredient in many dishes. Other fruits and vegetables that originated from the Americas include avocados, pineapples, peppers, and squash. So the next time you enjoy a taco or a slice of pizza, remember that the ingredients that make up that delicious meal all have their roots in the Americas.